Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we're talking about a major upcoming event. The Sun's magnetic field is about to flip. Yes, you heard that right. But what does this mean? And how might it affect us here on Earth? Let's dive in and find out. The Sun's magnetic field last flipped in 2013, and now we're on the brink of another flip. This event marks the midpoint of the solar maximum, the peak of solar activity, and the beginning of the transition to the solar minimum. To understand this magnetic flip, we need to look at the solar cycle. This cycle, which lasts about 11 years, is driven by the Sun's magnetic field and is marked by the frequency and intensity of sunspots. The peak of this cycle is known as the solar maximum, which is expected to occur between late 2024 and early 2026. But there's another lesser-known cycle, the Hale cycle. This magnetic cycle lasts about 22 years, during which the Sun's magnetic field flips and then returns to its original state. Solar astrophysicist Ryan French explains the significance of this cycle. So, what causes this flip? It's driven by major solar events like solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs. Sunspots, which are magnetically complex regions on the Sun's surface, play a key role. As sunspots form near the equator, they align with the old magnetic field, while those closer to the poles align with the incoming magnetic orientation. This is known as Hale's law. This process helps us understand the Sun's magnetic behavior, but many mysteries remain. Scientists don't fully understand the exact reasons behind these flips. Todd Hoeksema explains that magnetic fields from active regions move toward the poles and eventually cause the reversal. The magnetic field change isn't instantaneous. It's a gradual transition over the entire 11-year solar cycle, from a dipole to a complex magnetic field and back to a reversed dipole. It usually takes 1 to 2 years for the full reversal, but this can vary significantly. So how does this affect us? The Sun's magnetic field changes can trigger powerful geomagnetic storms on Earth, resulting in incredible auroral displays. Recently, the Sun has been very active, producing numerous strong solar flares and CMEs. One side effect of the magnetic field change is that it can protect Earth from galactic cosmic rays. As the Sun's magnetic field becomes wavier, it provides a better barrier against these high-energy particles, which can damage spacecraft and harm astronauts in orbit. Scientists are closely watching the Sun's magnetic flip to predict the strength of future solar cycles. If this process occurs within the next few years, the following 11-year cycle will be relatively active. If it's slow, the cycle might be weak, like the previous solar cycle 24. The Sun's magnetic field flip is a fascinating reminder of how dynamic and amazing our universe is. These events provide scientists with valuable insights into how our universe works. For more exciting space content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.